Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my Markup channel. In this video, we are going to see how to integrate two powerful tools like Power BI and Python. As you might know, Power BI is one of the topmost BI tool available in the market, and Python is the most notorious language everyone uses. And when we can integrate these two, it creates like enormous opportunities for transforming data, EDA, ETL, and data visualization, everything. Let's start like how to integrate. When you have your Python installed in your machine, once you launch the Power BI, you can just go to options and settings and click options. It will show like under the global tab, it will show like menu, like it will show like different scripting and other things available. When you click Python scripting, it will show like the default installed locations. So now Power BI knows like where it has to run the Python script. Once you are done, once you are done with that, you can just click OK, and we can start with the integration. Power BI actually comprises of three tools. Like one is like the Power Query Editor. When you click Transform Data, it will show the Power Query Editor, and the modeling, and then the visualization. With the Python integration, you can use popular framework called pandas, and in Power BI, Power Query Editor uses one engine, and for modeling it uses different engines. So the formulas, all those functions will be different. But you are well versed with pandas, then you can like you directly import the data frame here, and then use the Power BI powerful visualization, and then create like awesome report with this. Just click the get data one, and like you import like Excel and CSV, Google Spreadsheet, everything, just click the power more button. Just wait, it's get just enter Python. Sorry. I have created a data frame by reading a CSV. It's very simple. For this demo purpose, I will do the exact code here. Just click the Python script and click connect. It will ask you to give an input. You can directly input the script here. I have 3-line code ready with me. It's just reads a simple CSV and creates a data frame out of it. Just copy it and paste it, and then click OK. Once Power BI loads the data frame, it will show like whether you want to still do transforming or like manipulate the data. You can just ignore. For this demo, I'm just ignoring it. This is how the data frame is loaded. You can just click load. So if at all you don't want to get into much into the query editor part or like the modeling part, you can do all data cleansing, data manipulation, everything in the pandas itself, and then import the data frame directly in the Power BI and create and start working on the Power BI for basically the visualization. This is how the sheet 1 is the data I have imported from Google Spreadsheet already, and this is how the charts are made of that data source, and DF1 is the new data frame we have just imported. So this is how we can import directly the data frame into the Power BI and start working on the visuals. visualization. Power BI also allows you to like import Python based visuals or charts that also can be done. For that you have to just click see this visualization panel and just click the Python. Let's go to the page 2. Just click the Python and you will see the Python script editor here. For that you have to have the corresponding data available, and if you map the data, if you load the data, and then you can like import seaborn or like any data visualization library, and then you import that chart also in your report, and you can have a chart based directly built on the Power BI as well as the chart from the Python. So Power BI allows you to integrate Python for importing data set or data frame also, and also for visualization. These are like this is very powerful integration. It throws up enormous opportunities for us to analyze the data, and also for complex data visualization. Hope everything is clear. In case if you have any queries, you just let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Bye.